Ready?
Oh no!
Are you okay?
Zeus out. You guys head me.
I got you.
Come on, Gary, come on.
Oh my god.
Oi!
Oh, like a ball. Like a ball. Oh.
It is.
What's up? I'm gonna do some dips. In the swimming pool. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You got a partner.
Hey guys, jump on me. Give me some weight. Yeah, another one. Get on me. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Ouch, 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 ouchies. Ow, oh, oh, ah, oh, oh, ah, damn, that's some painful stuff. On a journey with the fam. Got my safety helmet here. You know how it is. We're going shopping?
Shopping.
Shopping, shopping. Where's the meat? Where's the meat? Hey, where's your meat, bro?
Where's your carne? Pasta mala.
Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-da-da. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-da-da-da. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Boom. 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 Angus, I'll grab myself a little bit of frozen. Gotta get that balance. Boom. 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 Ooh. Let me grab one of these. Oh, wait. Just gotta make sure. Alright, let's do it. This is what my family does for barbecue. Goodness gracious.
Yeah. The what? The steak's about ready? Let's do it.
My spiral. Get those back up.
Yeah. I gotta get that pump before the steak.
Really?
Yeah.
Don't do it like this. Do it like this.
Hey, go get it, go get it. This is my beautiful mom. Always cleaning. That's how the Portuguese do it. Hello, love you, mom.
Love you too.
This is my sister. Say hi.
Hi.
You know where we get that. You know where my weirdness comes from. See this track.
We made this together.
Can we start it? Restart it? Which one of the noises is about the alien kind of noises?
Sounds good. So far, so good.
Stop!
What?
Yeah.
Yeah! Wow, this is sick.
Sounds crazy.
like Eminem. You play me to get my rep, you'll get destroyed.
That's my nephew.
Think you walking up to you, do like rap like Eminem. Think you walking up to you, do like rap like Eminem. You play me to get my rep, you'll get destroyed. Think you walk.
Oh yeah, we got steaks. We got steaks.
Outside or wet. Leave
Ooh,
those
it's all
there.
bloody. I just spilled some in there.
You need to take the shorts you have now.
Oh, yeah,
hang
nice
them
and
outside.
bloody.
Go upstairs. And then...
Nice and bloody.
That's your shorts. Okay, so ask somebody to help. Take your shorts off here.
We're a loud family.
Put a towel in your hand.
That's the way it is. It's a Portuguese thing or a European thing, I don't know.
I gave you one. You're right. So use the same one. I'll give you the towel.
That's how it's done, guys. No filter in this video. No magic. No sunshine or rainbows. Just the real thing. Can't cut this
That's
thing.
David's towel.
Oh, look
It's
how
fine, it's
juicy
fine.
that
You
is.
want some salad, David?
Look how juicy that is.
Would you like some salad, David?
Sure. Got a couple of salads up in there. Good to go. Okay, guys. Talk to you very soon. Hope you like this video. And yeah, try to post this as much as possible. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. As the Portuguese say, beijinhos. Mwah. Yes, you little tinies. Yes, you little tinies.